11th question. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of 20-meter tall building from the top of multi-story building are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find height of multi-story building and the distance between two buildings in meter. Is first draw a figure. This angle is 60 degree. First, this angle is 30 degree. These alternate angles are same 30 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Same alternate angles are 60 degree. A. This point is B, C, D and E. This distance is Y. This also Y. This 20 meter. This one is X. This also 20 meter. Now, in triangle AED, triangle AED equal to AE by ED. Tan 30 degree equal to AD by AE by AD. AE by ED equal to tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3 equal to AE means X. This distance over ED Y. So the answer Y equal to root 3 X. This is the first answer. Then next one is in triangle ABC equal to AB by tan 60 degree equal to AB by BC. Now tan 60 equal to root 3 equal to AB X plus 20 by Y. In cross multiplication, root 3Y equal to X plus 20. Y value is root 3X. So, root 3 into root 3 into X equal to X plus 20. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3x equal to x plus 20. 3x minus x equal to 20. 2x equal to 20. X equal to 10. This is the second answer in meter. Now question, height of the multi-story building. First question is height of multi-story building equal to x plus height of multi-story building x plus 20 equal to x 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 equal to 30 meter. Then second question is The distance between two buildings. The distance between two buildings. Two buildings. Y equal to 10 root 3. 10 meter answer. So 10 root 3. Y equal to root 3x. So 10 root 3. This is the second answer. Root 3 meter. In unit is meter. This is the first answer. Answer is 30 and 10 root 3. That's